But right now we're working on a really exciting project with Johnson&Johnson. There's about 3% of the total amount of money spent on healthcare in this country that's spent on prevention. And Johnson&Johnson's about an $80 billion company, and they make medical devices, they make pharmaceuticals, and they make Band-Aids and baby care, right? And what they decided in the past year is that they wanted to start a new division that put the other divisions out of business. Now that's a radical statement. They don't really say that. But they want to figure out, how can we make wellness sustainable? How can we make it so that fewer people need medical devices, fewer people need pharmaceuticals, even fewer people might even need Band-Aids? How could we do that? If that was going to be a business that we would invest in and grow, what would it look like? So the first thing they decided is we got to invite a lot more people to play. We got to invite the workforce to play. We got to invite individual consumers in the marketplace to play. We've got to get community involvement. A lot of this is going to be educational. So we've got to figure out how to make money on education and also provide free education in the communities to people who could never afford to buy it. The corporations can afford to buy the education because their healthcare costs go down, and then we need to recycle that into the community so we lift the whole community so that we have a future. And they said, what could we invent that would really help people? One of the things that's really missing in the wellness piece is really simple, implementable information, but the second thing is follow-up. So they acquired a little startup called Health Media, and what Health Media is designed is a cyber coach. So in other words, it's tailored to exactly what your challenges are in your health world, but you've got a little cyber coach that talks to you and sends videos to you, and it's completely personalized to you. So that's an invention. Now they hope that this will turn into like a $10 billion business. That's a $10 billion business in the next 5 years. So there are companies doing this. Isn't that exciting?